QM50E2Y-HD by uscomponent.com. The QM50E2Y-HD is a high-performance IGBT module from Mitsubishi Electric, designed for industrial power control applications. Operating at 1200 V and 50A, it is ideal for motor drives, inverters, and power supplies. This module features low conduction and switching losses, ensuring high energy efficiency and reliable performance. Its robust construction includes advanced thermal management, providing long-term durability and stability in demanding environments. The compact design facilitates easy installation and integration into various systems. Mitsubishi Electric's commitment to quality and innovation makes the QM50E2Y-HD a trusted choice for optimizing power conversion and enhancing the performance of high-power electronic systems in industrial settings. Ready to buy QM50E2Y-HD? Please contact sales at uscomponent.com.